So we're gonna need to ship out 11 pairs on eBay and then 6 pairs on Goat. So let's get this done. Alright, so let's go get it. We're supposed to get the Air Max 2 somewhere around here. We got the Air Max 2 and also the Jordan 1 Low grade school. It's right here. Let's take him out. So starting off with this Nike Air Max 2 Lite QS, which is the Atmos logos. And there you go. It's very bright. Man, I really wanted to have an Air Max 2 in the collection, but this is too much color for me. And the good thing also is we got this for $119. By the way, the retail is $160. We got it for $119 minus the discount of 30% off. And also sold this Air Jordan 1 Low grade school. Retail is $75. Oh, by the way, I sold this one for $151 and buyer paid for the shipping. Going back to the Jordan 1 Low, this is the Arctic orange and white. So retail is $75 and sold it for $116. Not too much crazy, but the thing is we will just need to build the points regarding on the Flex app, so that's why invested on this particular one. Next one is the Nike Air Presto. We sold one pair of red and one pair of black. Let's take them out. First one is the Comet Red. The retail on this shoe is $130. We sold them for $117. So ang profit lang pala natin dito is not that much crazy. Somewhere around $15 to $20 lang ang profit natin dito. Same, and then same goes with the black. Nabenta natin siya ng $112. So not too much crazy, but still a profit. Next one, we saw the Jordan 4 Retros, size 11 and size 30. Jordan 4 white Oreo. Actually, this one's already been sold on eBay, but eBay returned it back to me because of damage happened to the box. So there you go. So what I did is I sold it on Goat with the listing is I just put it missing lid, but actually it's just a damaged box. So as you can see, the listing missing lid right there. Okay, ang benta natin dito is $325. Mas mahal ang benta natin sa eBay kaysa sa Goat, pero almost same profit na rin lang kasi nga $325 and free shipping. But the thing is, I don't have to pay for the eBay listing cost. So eBay fees much better because we're not paying for the fees. It's just for the shipping and more profit. So there we go, sold on Goat and eBay. Alright, next one. You'll be surprised that this particular shoe made me a bunch of return. So here we go, one of the Jordan 11 Low, but this one is the Golf. So here we go, we got the Jordan 11 Retro Bread Football Cleats, and we got this one Ross. So as you can see right there, Ross, dress for less, and the price is $19.99. We pick up there for $19.99. And the story behind one of this, when I found them, which is I also saw it on Instagram, that a lot of buyers who look for something to resell on Ross is that some of them just let it go for $60, $80. Small buy cost for me. Maybe it's not small buy cost for you, but for me, I think $19.99 is very huge steal for a Jordan 11 low, and it's also a football cleats. Consider also the red colorway. I said, I'm gonna hold it, even though it will take me years. It's $19.99, and good thing I did that, because and we sold it for $283. Boom! That is how many percent of return? So as you can see right there, price 20. So that is the one of the key of holding some of the something shoes like this one, Jordan 11 low. Consider also it's a football cleats, so there must be somewhere out there will buy them on that higher premium price. So good thing I hold on to them, and it's a massive return, and that's how we do sneaker investment. All right, last one, 2 pairs of the Jordan 1 Mid HyperReal. Sold one of the 10.5 and some, I think 9.5. Yep. So let's take them out. Last 2 pair that we need to be shipped out for today. I hope marami pang order kasi maaga pa naman. So ito yung Air Jordan 1 Med na HyperReal white. Retail on this particular shoe is $115. I'll let them go for $157, and then free shipping. So I'll be making somewhere around 28 to 30. It depends where it goes. So